welcome back to the journey of Rise. And if you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, what's up? This video is about my 7-month lock update. Technically, September 17th will be my 7-month, 213 days I'll be locked. But hey, let's not get that technical. I'll give you a chance to click that subscribe button, so go and do so now. Thank you. Approximately 4 weeks post my last retwist, I did a style for my 6-month milestone by Hairpy by Jay, and I took the style out 3 weeks in and my retwist was still there. So I'm certainly going to be styling my locks every time I retwist. She also used Super Grow hair gel and I do not see any flaking. I don't see any buildup thus far, and I have not washed my hairs yet because I want to show you guys how the retwist actually lasted. It's been a week since I took it out, so it's kind of a little puffy, but you'll get the gist of it. My hair is still frizzy, and I do believe that because I'm so handsy in my hair, it's contributing to all the frizz as well. So I'm gonna try for this month not to be too handsy in my hair. I'm itching to touch my hair, but I'm trying not to. I'm gonna start from today. So my locks are budding everywhere. I have some nice thick budding going on, even to the ends it's budding. I do realize that I have some blunt ends, like these two, for example. And the back is already locked that I can feel. Let me give you a close up there. What I've realized with my locks, they are shrinked. This is my real length right now. They can't pull to see length, nothing. I do believe that the locks are, with the button and the frizzing and everything, like everything is just moving up so that the lock can be formed. That's my thought of it, but this is my real length for right now. And I do believe once this phase is over, my locks are gonna start dropping. I can feel a little hang time here. I don't know if it's just my mind playing games with me, but I can feel a little dropping back there. For my 6 months, when I went to Hairpy by Jay, I combined some locks, and I am 100% satisfied with how my locks are growing and the size of each one. So I will not be combining any more locks, more adding baby locks, nothing. I'm about to just leave my hair because I'm 100% satisfied, and I actually do not know how many locks I have. So I was sure that I started off with 99 locks. I added 4 and that made the total of 103 locks. But then I uncombined some and then I combined again. So if you're interested, I can do a lock count video. Drop a comment if that's what you will be interested in. I'll definitely get that done because I love you guys. So let me know. Drop a comment. Talk to me. All right. Now, month 2 to month 6. Look at this picture. I know I am not tripping because the growth, the length, and just how healthy my locks are growing, I am just like, wow. I'm speechless. That comparison picture right there blew me away. Looking at my hair every day is like, nothing is changing, but definitely documenting my journey allows me to see how my hair is actually transitioning, what major changes is happening, and I'm just excited about what I'll leave for you, my lock kings and queens. Consistency is key. Reason being, not because you see Sally is doing something with her hair, that means you have to do it. No, stick with what works for your hair. I found a regimen and I am sticking with it. I did a video 2 weeks ago regarding all the products that I use to keep my hair healthy, to keep my hair moisturized and hydrated. You can check it out because You need to know what works for your hair and what doesn't work for your hair. That's my gift to you, kings and queens. Stick to what works. So at this time, I'll give you guys a 360 of my hair. I'll take this down. Since it was up, I'll just wet it a little bit. Okay. Oh, and these are my fluffies. They're growing nicely. So that's it for my 7-month lock update. Is it starter lock? Am I still a starter lock, or am I like in a teen stage? Drop a comment below. Let me know. What are we calling this stage right now? Because I'm half mark. So let me know. Let me know. And you can email me any questions at journeyofrise20@gmail.com. I sorted that out for you, ladies and gents. If you haven't already, press that like button, subscribe button, and go and share with all of your friends. And I'll see you until next time. See ya!